Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me again, RC Bree. Thank you for liking and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to do a quick review, actually test out this shaver by VeroShave. Okay, so it actually has, how many blades we have here? Seven blades here, rotating blades. I definitely can tell you that this shaver is very powerful. I feel it actually when I shave. It actually has 2 hours of charge time. Okay, when you charge it up fully, 60 minutes working time. Also, it has a very good rotating head, and it has 7 blades like I said before. These are all washable, and you can use this under running water, clean it. Okay, it's an LED display here. Turn it on for you. All right, this is fully charged up to 92. I was using it earlier. Okay, and this is definitely waterproof. So I'm gonna just basically take it and have a little hair here and let you see it work in real time. Let's check it out. And you can see it actually, I can feel it. It cuts really well. Okay. You're actually seeing everything right here. Make sure you can see that. Okay. It's smooth. Definitely, I can feel the difference there on my head. So these 7 rotating blades, and you can take this in the shower, like I said before, and definitely no razor bumps. I've used it for a few weeks, and it's good for sensitive skin because my skin is sensitive. So if you have sensitive skin, this is something that you definitely can check out. So there you have it. You see the smoothness here. Rotate. You can use it on your face. One thing I really like about this shaver is you can use it on your body also. Yeah. So like I said, your arms, your legs. Very powerful, and it works really well. So it's gonna keep going here. You guys can see the back. Actually see it cut here. Hope you can see that. We'll go to the other side, give you another view. Yeah. So it also actually catches the hair, so you don't have hair all over your floor, all over your counter. You can do it in the car after work. When you want to get rid of that 5 o'clock shadow before you go out. Keep yourself looking sharp. So you see that, very smooth and clean cut. We'll go around the back here so you can see the back part. You see it cut. See the difference between the left and the right side on my head. So the smoothness, you can feel it. And it's a close, comfortable shave. So also you can use this on your face, like I said before. Definitely something to keep around. It's just another review, a different shaver here. Hope you guys like it. You can put your comments in the description, any questions. It has dual precision heads. Charges really fast. Go to the back side here. Hopefully you can see the back of my head as it cuts. A difference. It's really quick. You go as fast as you want actually. I just went a little slower so you can see it work. I can hear the braids. Easy to clean, very smooth. Any questions, comments, definitely. Anything you guys want to see, definitely leave it in the comments. I'll try to get back with you. Yeah. So yeah, it's noticeable. Like I said, like, hey, what are you shaving with? You can definitely know the difference. You feel the difference. Very smooth. I'll go a little closer there. So it's very important to be well groomed, like I said before. You walk into a room, anywhere you go. So something I pay really close attention to in general, even as a man. So yeah, it's kind of, there you have it. Any questions? It catches the hair, 7 rotating blades. No irritation, that's very important. No irritation, skin's not irritated. Even I use it on my face here. I use it on my face, I'll show you. Nice and smooth. No irritation, no razor bumps, catches the hair, you can see that there. Easy to clean, use it, it's great. This is VeroShave. I'll put the link in my description. Feel free to leave any comments. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks for watching.